Baki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Rangba Jilla Conrad ki sangma haka arpsan tarik ulber aracara penrio ulong baka jingwan yatrai lang jongki nongelam na ki sengsan partai baper na ka binta ban pin urlong ya ka jingdawa jongki pajba Garo kala longkum kanuksa ka babahatam ya ki pajba nongsong sunong jong ka jilla haka jayakran bat kilat pathai khubor usangma ulong baki MDC naka Trinamool Congress ringkat bat ki MDC Independent kila bu Shwa Sharud ya ka jingsong ya pher party ban ya tili lang kawai naka benta ka dauba jong ki paj Garo.
You see, at this point in time, I am, I should say, very happy to see that keeping the political differences and political positions aside, the TMC and the MDCs of the TNC and the leadership of TMC and some of the independent MDCs, they came together for the rights of the people and for the concerns of the people, especially the tribal community in Garo Hills, especially in Garo Hills. Therefore, this is a very, very positive and a very strong message to the people of Garo Hills that when it comes to the people, that different political parties and leaders go beyond party lines and look at what is good for the people and the state as a whole. And I think this is a shining example of that. And therefore, I give my sense of appreciation to the MDCs of the TMC and the independent MDCs, as well as the leadership for taking this very, very correct and bold and very strong stand to support this particular bill and be part of this EC. Right now, the platform on which we have come together has been on the issue of the tribals' rights and the ST certificate issue, and therefore it is limited to that. Obviously, it's a step that we welcome because, as I said, we have come beyond our political and our party stands and stand united when it comes to the cause of the people. And I think it's a very positive message for the people of our state. Beyond that is something that is not possible for me to comment right now. But we will see how things unfold.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale!
Gorgeous.
Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है.
Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो? फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.